Okay, so I'm on top of this unit here, and the complaint is that this unit is leaking. And if you look at here, there's water leaking from here, and it's dripping down here. And if you look at there, it's dripping here, and it's coming down here. And this is the condensation pipe right here, and looks like it's clogged here. There's some water coming out, but not that much. So what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna tear into this unit here and see what's in there. Okay, as you can see, the shingles here feels very wet, mushy, and if this is not corrected, the water will soak into the house, and that's not going to be good. See, there's water here. So here's the problem, where everything here looks good. The evaporator coil here looks very healthy and very nice, but the problem that we're having here is, as the air from the inside of the house comes in, gets sucked through here via the blower here, there's exchange of heat going on in here, and basically it gives off condensation, and then the water moisture comes into here, drops down to this little pan here. What we're having here is a lack of there's a clog here. Basically, over time, this part right here it's full of sedimentary, and it blocks the water here, and that's the reason why it basically chokes up here with sedimentaries, dust and dirt, and that's the reason why there is leakage. Well, I've just unclogged it right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a water hose and blow some and put some water in here. Okay, put some water in here. Hopefully I could blow out the clog here, and that'll settle that. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go and tell the owner here. Okay, so I put the hose here, and they're turning on the water. And the plan is that we're going to purge the notch right there. Yeah, but the water's not coming. Hold on. Okay, so there you go. See there? The water going through that pipe right there, that hole. So that's how you clear the plug. And that's that. Okay, so if you could see here, there's water coming down there now because I've managed to unclog it. So I'm going to purge this line with more water, and hopefully so you see that there's no water in here. It's all drained. Okay, so everything looks good.